Who can earn money using these methods? What skill or resources are required for each method? When can someone start earning money using these methods? Immediately after training. Where can someone learn more about each method? How to get started with each method. Want to earn money without a 9-to-5 job. In this video, we'll explore 5 flexible ways to earn money perfect for young adults. Hey there, young adults. Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to earn money without a 9-to-5 job? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 5 flexible ways to earn money perfect for young adults like you. Let's dive in. Way hash 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to offer your skills to clients worldwide. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to find work. Host. Tips for getting started, identify your skills, create a profile, and bid on projects. Way hash 2. Affiliates marketing. Affiliate marketing through promoting products or service and earnings a commission. Like Marketing Metaforce is best project host. Maximize earnings by completing profiles, referring friends, and taking advantage of bonuses. Way hash 3. Selling products. Sell unwanted items or products you can source cheaply. Online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace make it easy. Research products, take quality photos, and write compelling descriptions. Way hash 4. Creating a YouTube channel. Host. Create engaging, informative, and consistent content that resonates with your audience, driving views, likes, and subscriptions to boost your earnings. Way hash 5. Online sell skill set. T. Creating and selling online course on platform like Udemy, Teacher, or Skillshare. Visuals, screenshots of apps. Tagline, understand risks, diversify, and start small. Conclusion. Host, there you have it. 5 ways to earn money as a young adult. Remember, these opportunities require effort, patience, and dedication to generate significant income. Subscribe for more content, share with friends, and check our description for additional resources. Thanks for watching.